All right. Not actually sure if this is going to work, but I think I am going to try to get it to run. Let's see. Oh, wow, it is live. All right, well, you can see myself. Maximum recursion. All right, let's go for it. So, what is Bun? It is launched right at the top of Hacker News. It's Jared Sumner's work that he's been working on for the past year or so. Let's see what he said. He said something like, it's got really interesting benchmarks, everything's fast. It's cool. And I thought it was a really interesting tweet. Tomorrow after a year of work, but enters public data. I'm so excited. So I think the excitement is well deserved, but I'm not really sure about anything about it apart from that it's fast and it's a runtime. It's got a really quick install. I'm hoping to do something non-trivial with it, like do some file system access or something. I'm not really sure. Anyway, so if you want to talk to me, I am probably not going to be looking at my comments because that is a little bit distracting. But you can add me on Twitter, and I'll maybe check the chat as well. Yeah. Hey, Maple Leaf, I am live. Zach, see you. All right. I'm also using StreamYard, and I'm being cheap because I don't stream very often these days. Maybe I should. Maybe the problem is I don't think it's a good experience for people watching live. Terrible stream. Terrible live speaker. But I've been very inspired by Theo, and yeah, why not? I have some time. All right, so let's cover Bun. Bun is a fast all-in-one JavaScript runtime. Blah blah blah. With demo starts fast, new levels of performance. Create a complete tool. This part I really like, and I want to see more of. Particularly the package manager. I'm not really sure what that is. He's not really shown any of it. He's also natively implemented all the web APIs and the Node APIs. This is a bold move because some people want to get rid of those Node APIs, and he's promising compatibility. Let's see. Run most of the work structured outside of browsers, blah, blah, blah. Good stuff. TypeScript, JSX just work. Run transpiler is an API. I wonder what the good use case for this would be. I'm not really sure. It is a bundler too, Jace. I see you commenting in the chat. It is a bundler. Yep. Bundler, all the things. So let's actually see how it works. Let's go ahead and get started, and then we can... oh yeah, the other thing, I have already promised to give a talk about it next week. This is why I am choosing to stream now, because I'm like, I have to give a talk about this. Just because I like to increase the challenge on myself. So if you're in New York, come by. You'll see me compare Bun and Deno, and probably screw up a bunch of things, but that's how we learn, right? We learn in public. All right, so people really don't like this. By the way, I'm using Warp. I don't actually feel like it does anything different. Let's see. Try button. People don't like the fact that you're supposed to curl and then pipe it into Bash. This is a huge... Oh, this copy doesn't work. Guys, amateur hour. What is this? Amateur. So something you can do is, I guess you can view the commands that you're supposed to run. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Hopefully nothing malicious, or he will be skewered on a red hot skewer. Chili pepper, whatever. Ready is a mirage. Anyway. No better way to learn. Lawrence Chen says, "Oh hey Maple, is this like the Theo crew? Am I scooping Theo right now? Can I turn the background music down a little? Sure. Let's see. So yeah, this is me just trying out the new background thing. It's a new feature from StreamYard. I feel like we can do this. There we go. But it's too chill. I want a little bit more hype. Do we have a preference between acoustic, cinematic, dance pop, daydreaming, feeding the ducks? I don't like the lo-fi. Like usually I like lo-fi. I've been really into lo-fi Star Wars, so I would play this for you if it reflected my system audio. Does it do that? Does it do my system audio? No, it does not. That's weird. Why doesn't it reflect system audio? Anyway, yeah, folks, I see you. I can't really like jump back and forth because I'm on my laptop right now. Hey, what's up, Nutlope? You want to join? I'll DM you an invite. Let's see. Oh! You didn't see that. I might have to turn off the stream. That was a security flaw, I think. Hassan, I'm DMing you so you can join the stream. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I actually really want to play my music, but it doesn't seem to let me. So, all right, Hassan, DM coming your way. If it lets me. Okay. It's pasting. Sorry, guys. I got distracted by you giving nice comments. All right, cool. Welcome to join if you want. I will leave this up for a little bit. You saw nothing. Exactly. Thanks, Jace. You saw nothing. If people don't know what security issue I'm talking about, then you're none the wiser. Okay, so we've installed Bun. And then, well, what the hell am I supposed to do? Bun's web server, Bun run HTTP.js. Okay, let's try to. I'm gonna VI it, right? Because we're lead. We are only lead people in this channel. Right. See how I don't have nice syntax hiding set up. Bun run HTTP.js, and we are going to have our first server. Oh, fuck. Oh, nice. Come on, first server. Wait, what's going on? Why is it not running? Nothing's going on. Okay. Think rationally. We export default and then we have a fetch. Fine. All right. So what happens if I console log? Hi. Obviously, the first way to debug anything is with console log. All right. So the hi is running. Hey, what's up, Hassan? All right. I see you. Yo.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
I'm trying to run Bun, and I cannot run Bun. Maybe it's just not printing out. Oh, you know what? Okay. So maybe it's already loaded. Okay. So it's just in an infinite loop type thing. So we have a Bun server. That was really fast. What do you know about Bun?
I honestly know close to nothing about Bun. So I'd love an intro. I've been hearing a lot of hype about it. I know Jared just released it today. So excited to learn more.
Yeah. It is like the weirdest, most hypey shit ever because it's like Bun is built in Zig. It's like, okay, what the fuck is Zig? But I do listen to the Rust podcast, Rustations. And so it was really interesting because you start to see this like cross-pollination of ideas. And the guy who made Zig started talking about his motivations, and he was like, guys, Rust sucks. Here's the next generation. So Rust is over, you guys.
Damn.
I don't know, man. I'm not gonna go into Zig at all today. I don't think I'm qualified. I probably could have, investigated a little bit more, but I feel like our purpose here is just to investigate Bun. What else are you interested in? What catches your eye?
Just to, testing it out. It says it can run. Basically, what is this a replacement for right now? Is this
it's a replacement for Node. It's basically a straight up Deno competitor.
Gotcha.
So it's a replacement for Node and Webpack and TypeScript, and let's see what else. And npm, because it's also package manager. So this is the key line that people were pretty surprised by.
Interesting. Okay.
So let's see it, right? So we're supposed to see more examples, but the examples here aren't great because It's just like a bunch of stuff here, just kind of thrown at you. I'm not really sure what I was supposed to do with this. So I guess we could like start Next.js because you're here.
Hell yeah.
And I know there's a scaffolding tool, right? So let's go ahead and kill this. Where's the scaffolding tool? Where the hell is the scaffolding tool? Check out the docs. All right. You know what? We should read docs. That sounds like a good idea. We don't need any of this. Where's the fucking tutorial? No, I did look through this. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Lauren says Bun create next app. So let's do that. All right. So Bun create next./app. Downloading tarball, detecting React, adding React refresh, detecting Next.js. So Jay says they can run Node stuff like Next.js or Redwood Remix EDC. I doubt it without changes. No, like literally it's launching with Next.js compatibility. So why would you doubt it? That's like a design goal. Just as a web standard these days. So once it starts getting complex, I like to pop out into a terminal. VS Code like 71. Did you know the market share of VS Code is 73%? It's insane.
Oh, wow.
Did you see?
I didn't know. Oh, I still haven't read the recent survey.
Oh, dude, you gotta keep up. This is where you got all your info.
Wow.
VS Code. Nice.
That's insane.
Professional developers. Wait, what? How do I get numbers? Oh. What the fuck is this visualization? How do I get numbers? Anyway, okay, it's not 73%. I don't know. I heard on someone's podcast it was like 73%. Maybe it's some sub-segment of wow, this is like the worst visualization because I can't get actual numbers. The hell?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to see?
I guess Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio, right? Or both.
9,289 people who worked with Android Studio want to work with Visual Studio Code. This is like the...
Yeah, that's a weird graph.
Okay. Look. There were 765 responses, right? 543 who worked with Visual Studio Code want to work with Visual Studio Code. So that's 42543 divided by 67765. 63%.
But then there's Visual Studio, right? Like to the left. Are they counting that in?
No. Why would they? It's a different idea.
No.
Whatever.
Fair enough.
Right. Anyway, that was a distraction. So we are supposed to do Bun run. I have to add a loader. Okay, Bun create next app. All right. What am I supposed to do? Is there a README here that does something? No, this is the straight Next.js app.
Yeah, it's the regular one. So I guess in terms of Next.js specifically, Bun would be a replacement for SWC for our Rust compiler, basically.
Bun framework next. What is? Well, where do you swap it in? There's nothing here. Where do you normally swap in SWC? Because you haven't shipped it by default, have you?
No, we do ship it by default now.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I've never needed to swap it out. I don't use Babel plugins.
So, well, tell me what to do. It doesn't say anything. It says get started. CD app bun dev. All right. Okay. It does tell me what to do. I'm just an idiot. Nice. Look at that. That's fast. Let's hot reload it. So did you know the difference between Webpack hot reloading and React hot reloading? I feel like people don't know this.
No. To me, they're the same thing.
Hello, stream. Yeah, I think we have collectively like there's just so much to know to Lakehouse. I was just at the Databricks Summit, so I have Lakehouses on my mind. There's just so much to know. So the thing to know about hot reloading is this thing from Dan Abramov. Basically, everything I know about anything is from Dan. Wait. It's at dan.com. That's funny. Hot reloading. There we go. So I would read this for anyone who's interested in actual hot reloading and what that means. Because there's a long list of features. Look at this. Hot reloading should be unobservable. It shouldn't break React rules. Should sort of React types. Static reloading. Blah 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 blah. All right. So the thing about hot reloading, I think it's what I would say is this thing, right? So let's say you have a button, classic, right? Click. Click me. Sorry, let me just make this big because I know the number one thing as a streamer is to keep the size big. Where is React? Okay. Fuck. Almost. Oh, what is this? Okay. 0 React. Okay. I'm so rusty.
Yeah, haven't written React in a while, huh?
Okay, let's do this. So click me. All right. So this is a button. God damn it, I can't resist. And by the way, Next.js should ship the win by default. It's time. Fuck. Size. That.
We have like a Tailwind and TypeScript starter that I usually use to init new projects.
No, I'm not gonna waste any time.
But
okay, so we're gonna click a few times. We're gonna click to 11, and now I'm gonna change this to -1, and I'm gonna save it, right? And it's gonna hot reload and preserve this state.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh. So the hot refresh doesn't seem to work here. So what hot reload is supposed to do is the component state is supposed to be preserved, right? Whereas Webpack hot reload is you're gonna swap out the entire JavaScript module. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So while this dev server is still running, you're supposed to preserve the state. Is there a stack blitz equivalent I could do? Next React.new.
Yeah, that makes sense. So they're two separate things.
So let's see if I can copy this over and prove that to you. Put this into the JSX transform. All right, click me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop, this is -1. All right, so if I update this, my assertion, and I save this, my assertion is I can click this now and it will increment. You see that? I can change it while it's live, right? So I can make this like ×2. And this thing, and I'm going to save the file, and this thing carries on.
Interesting. Okay.
That is hot reloading in React terms. That's why you use React hot refresh. Save it, click it. The behavior is modified with the state being the same. Whereas over here, the whole thing's reset. So he does not have hot reload under React's definition. But I don't blame him because React doesn't do a very good job of telling people. So let me try it again, plus, in case we had an anomaly. So I'm going to switch this from minus to plus. I'm going to save the file, and that resets.
Yep, it goes back.
So this is regular reload, not hot reload by the React definition. All right, already fails, but let's keep going. What's next? What else should we do? Is there anything else to do in the Next.js example?
We could.
So he has a bundler. Maybe we can inspect the bundle. Because the other thing about all these sort of VSM first things. Yeah, go ahead.
Now let's see how fast the HMR is. It should just show on the console. I'm sure it showed on screen. I just didn't take a look at it.
Is that fast? I don't know. It says live reload.
Reloaded.
100 milliseconds.
I don't know if it's that. It should be in the VS Code like terminal when you make a change. So make a change here.
Look at that. Ooh.
Holy crap!
Is that supposed to be fast?
Yeah, that is very fast. Oh my god, that's crazy fast.
Where's my other thing? Okay, I think I closed it already. Yeah, I don't.
1.5 millisecond. That doesn't even seem right. Like,
should we spin up a different Next.js app and see what happens?
Yeah, you can. It should be okay. I won't spoil it. We can just wait and see. But the difference is huge if this is
Next.js. But like, is this the thing I care about? Like, my perceptual difference is 50 milliseconds, maybe. Like, is this a thing you want to optimize for? And what are you trading off to get that?
Sure.
Right?
That's true. That's true.
What is this? Create npx create next.
Yeah, npx create next app. Yep, and then you can specify a name.
Oh, it's so slow. I'm sleeping. I'm dying here. Oh, all these packages.
Get out of here.
Oh man, I used to do. I did this side-by-side video once of create React app versus Next.js, and it's egregious. It's hundreds of packages, so 29 is not too bad. But yeah, I would say this is probably already feels faster than.
This feels slow. I mean, I think there's switch to PNPM, but I think there's also like caching that happens when you don't run it for a while. But anyway,
all right. Is there a flag it can run to change the port?
There definitely is. You can probably just do npm run dev. It should run by default like 3001 or something. Did it not detect that something else is running? That's weird.
Okay. All right. So what I do here, I go. Did I make a new?
You could just do npm run dev -- port whatever 3000.
Let me just open a new window.
Yeah.
npm run dev. I have to do like the double dash.
Yeah, double dash port and then space and specify the port name.
That?
Yeah, but another double dash with the port. Yeah, and then specify like 3001 or whatever.
New.
What? Okay.
Next.js run port. P.
Oh, is it -p now?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, I think I didn't leave a space. That's my bad.
Okay.
Okay, we're about to. All right. Yeah. So this is 200 times faster. I don't know. All right. Let's see if we can.
No, that's initial compilation. You can't compare that to. Okay.
So let's do this. Let's do side by side. All right. Okay. Let's Next.js on the left and Bun on the right. So what is this? So we're seeing Next.js. All right. Let's clear this. So Next.js reload is 74 milliseconds, and then this is
that's fair.
That's 1 point something. So not bad.
It did 3. So that's like 3 milliseconds versus 70. That's kind of nuts.
It does it twice. I don't know what these like double messages are. I'm not sure. There's probably a bug, or it's doing something that we're not aware of. Okay. All right. So some folks are in the chat. I'm just checking the chat to see what's going on. Alex says, "Hey guys, thanks for streaming. I got a dip. Is it JavaScript runtime? Okay, cool. All right.
Nice.
So we've benchmarked.
You just go live, by the way. You didn't even like tweet or anything, right? I just randomly caught you on YouTube.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know. I don't want to be like a streamer.
No, I get that.
All right, cool. No, let's actually explore what else we can do. So we can create. Yeah, this is the scaffolding thing. We can create a new Next.js project, create new React project. With a few different boilerplates. Okay, you can copy it into your own local thing. That's fine. What are the things that you want to do with it?
And I'm just wondering like what the limitations are. If you're using it for React or Next app or whatever. Yeah, is it blazing fast? From Karsten, yeah. Obviously.
I mean, we've proven that it's like 50 times faster at compiling Next.js or reloading Next.js.
Sure.
The question is like, do I care?
Yeah, but then it's like
handle 3 times faster requests per second.
Wow, the Node.
Yeah.
Can you extend it? That's my issue with something like Next.js. You can't, because now we just announced like you can write custom plugins for SWC. You can still use like Babel plugins and replace SWC. So there's like merit in both of those. Where, I mean, I'm sure the ecosystem will develop.
Yeah.
But that's only disadvantage I can kind of see right off the bat.
Let's try the SQLite thing. It comes with SQLite for some reason.
Okay. Let's do
Why
it.
not? Why not?
Never beat SQLite.
Okay, it's gonna insert some things. It's gonna do stuff. All right. So
Oh, wait.
just
It comes bundled with SQLite. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah.
Huh.
It's a high performance. So maybe it's like some kind of modded SQLite. So let's make an API route, I guess. Do you have server components yet?
Yes.
Node.js. Wait, like seriously? Can I use it here?
Yeah, they should. Yeah, they should be. Look, I mean,
Wait, what version? Next 12.1.3?
Yeah, 12.1.3 should
Wait,
support it.
okay.
They're in alpha though, to be fair.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Wait, so how do I use it?
You have to install like the canary though. You can't.
Okay, that's fine.
You have to install like Next Canary, and then you have to add like a config to enable React Server components. Yeah, basically you can follow the first thing in the docs.
Here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So you have to do the steps to enable React Server components. But yeah, you can use them.
All right. It's probably gonna break, but whatever. React at latest.
Dude, I still remember our stream like a year and a half ago where you were trying out React Server components for the first time.
Yeah, it's a slow mover, isn't it? Wait, so bun install doesn't work. What's the right command?
Bun install doesn't work. You can't.
The docs. Does this have docs? Where are the docs? Am I supposed to do bun install? Like, what if I? That's the problem with like, yeah, bun install. Okay, replace yarn with bun install. Bun install. Okay.
I did it 20 times.
So that's supposed to work.
What happened when you did it?
Nothing.
So...
It just says checked packages. Right.
Okay. So I mean, I guess that means.
What if I delete Next.js, right? And then I do bun install. One package removed. Okay, so bun acts like it just runs yarn. It doesn't take any arguments. What I think.
So you define your dependencies and then you run bun install. Interesting.
Do this. Yeah, that's what it does.
Okay. Huh.
Sure, they'll fix that. That seems like a minor issue. Okay, where's the Next.js thing? Nope, this is not it. Nope, not it. Next.js thing.
It's in your third tab there.
All right. Yeah. Okay, and then I have to solve the config.
Yep.
This is way cooler than using API routes. API routes are dead. Runtime Node.js. Whoops.
You gotta grab the experimental as well.
Whoops.
Yep.
Whoops. We're not
Awesome.
in Node.js anymore, but it's supposed to be compatible, so whatever. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Fine. All right. Okay. Server components.
Yep.
Oh, you still
Should be
using
good
this? Aren't you gonna kill that?
Yeah. We'll see with the new layout stuff. A lot of things are
the gods have
coming
decreed
soon.
that server.js is dead.
Yeah.
Home.server.js. Okay. Boom. Right, this is the only thing I care about. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. I care that this runs on the server. So,
Wow.
so I'm done, right? I'm done. Yeah, screw all this. Okay,
Yep.
cool. So let's go back to here. I'm like, all right. Boom. All right. Oh shit! I have to create this database. Maybe if I just put this in here and like go tell anyone. Maybe this works.
Wow. Nothing is...
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it should just work, right? I mean,
No, this kind of shit never works.
what?
I mean, I can hope, but no, it never works because this React is just allergic to you doing stuff like that. But let's see. All right, so what is this? Bun run? No.
Yeah.
No.
Or it's bun dev.
Yeah, look at that. What is that? Oh, no. What? Null is not an object. I'm not using state though.
What?
Okay, it's on index. All right, screw index. You're causing me issues. Was that? Did I have some?
Yeah, we did have some state there.
Yeah,
we
no,
don't need
but
to do that.
I mean, whatever. I don't care. Hey, all right. So let's go back to home. All right. So this is supposed to be a server component. Oh, look at that. There's an error. Oh, no. Okay.
No, that's the same one.
All right. Wait, I was going to
Good.
kill it. I'll kill it and then restart it. I bet you there'll still be errors because the error. Oh, it's fine. Okay. All right. So /home. Home.server.js. Okay. Did I read it wrong? Am I supposed to like nest it in something else?
To run a component. 1 second.
So is this just a component? I need a page? No.
Oh, you have to just put it inside of the pages folder. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah, it is inside of it there. Home.server.js.
Make sure you're using default exports and imports for server components. Okay. All right.
Components.
Doesn't
Huh.
work. What if
Let me
I
look at
what if I comment this out and just make sure that this works in the first place? Let's see. So comment out all the SQLite stuff. Comment this out. Okay. It should render.
Yeah,
That
that's
doesn't
weird.
render. So server components doesn't work.
We have like templates with them. I'm not sure. I've honestly never played around with them personally.
Come on. They're the coolest thing. Oh, wait, hang on. I bet you it's one that's bullshit. Like the package JSON was inside. No, it's on Canary.
Yeah. Should be on the right one.
Okay. All right. So do I just go back to API routes?
Yeah. Yeah, we can just do that.
All right. API routes, Fruit.js. All right. Okay. All right. This won't be too bad. So in here, what is the format for an API route?
It's just oh yeah, you should have had one defined actually. You can just
I never remember it.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess. No, this is fine. And then if I do this, then I do this.
I just send it in like private chat.
Okay. Private chat. Nice.
Yeah, it should just export default. Yeah, it's the minimal.
Yeah. I should just do.
No prettier.
Oh, I haven't saved it.
Okay.
My prettier actually has been broken for a while. I feel like I need to fix that.
Oh damn.
All right. Okay. So this should reload if I understand Next.js well enough, and then.
So API/API/2. Yep.
Database is locked. The hell?
What does that mean?
Might be happening too fast. Could not resolve Bun SQLite. Maybe I need to Bun install. Oh, is there some instructions? There's nothing to install, dude.
Well, go figure. Should we just run it as just like a Node.js file?
Yeah, I feel like we're getting too fancy here.
Let's do that. Yeah, let's do a simple Node script.
Okay, cool. So we have HTTP.js. Okay. So let's do this one. Okay. All right. We're in raw node or raw Bun, whatever you call it. And then we have this guy right here. And we're supposed to be able to create a database. I suspect it doesn't work for a good reason. So let's see. What am I supposed to do? I'm going to query my database, and then I'm going to respond to it. Now, how do you construct a response that is JSON? This is annoying. Everyone's now that response objects are cool. Now you have to learn the new API. Example. Okay. How do you give a response? How do you create a response? New response.
You can honestly just log stuff for now. That's what I would do.
Okay.
Cool.
So bun run TP.js. Okay. Hi. Okay. All right. So this is welcome to bun. It's logging it out. So yeah, it's got SQL in it. But it keeps reloading. I presume because of the browser. I wonder if we can make like a simple little CRUD thing here. So what's in this request object and what's the path? Does it reload? No, I have to kill it and rerun it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it doesn't print out anything. What's in a request object? It's so annoying. We have to learn everything now. Request destination. Is that what we want? Where's the examples? Give me examples. Examples. Request destination. Request.url. I could probably live with that. Basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a router. Very simple router. Okay, so the router would be here, and let's say if I go like foo, that would say foo. Is there anything on this request object? Oh, it's not typed. How can we make this typed? That work?
No, I guess making the file TypeScript as well.
Hey, look at that.
Wow, very nice.
I don't know, I'm just making shit up. Does anything look like useful stuff to you? Maybe headers? Maybe, oh god. What's on these properties? Okay, method. I need like path. Nope, there's no path. So I have to parse this thing. Okay.
Yep. Looks like it.
Okay, so request.url path equals to request.url.slice.
I actually have to dip. I have a meeting.
Okay.
But
Well,
thanks for having me on, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks for keeping me company.
Yeah.
Yep. 20, 21. Okay. That works, right? So we're gonna slice 21, and then it's the path. So if path equals to hash, do this, and then we're actually gonna get the request, and then we're gonna serve the request. Okay. See if we can serve this. I bet you we can. And then else, actually this should be the else. So this is the fallback. And then if this path is matching foo, we're gonna do some increments. So like that. All right. Now we have to study SQL and figure out what we're gonna insert. Insert foo into greeting values. Oh, we can get all rows. Yeah, we can do that. All right. Okay, all. Then we can run this stuff, and then we'll say new response. Greeting values. New response. Path.random. Or you guys know what this is about. 1,000. All right, good enough. All right, so let's see it run. Whoa! Doesn't like types. Let's go. What is this? What have I done here? I've returned a response when I actually should be saying added. Right, let's give response new. Okay, so it's clearly not. How do I return a response? Response JSON object. JSON. Second one looks good. Nope. Second one is Spring Boot. No, none of this is okay. This looks interesting. New response. Yep. Okay. All right. What am I supposed to do? I need to set data headers. I need to stringify it. Sure. So it's JSON on stringify. So on that stringify. And then how do I headers? There we go. Content type. Sure. I'll do that. I think it works. I need to kill it. All right. Okay. All right. We got a whole bunch of additions. Now, if I go to... Wait, why is it going to home? Okay. That's the fallback. If I go to foo, it's going to add a new response 111, and then it's going to 611 and 961. Okay. Yeah. Browsers are weird with the option request thing, so that's why it's generating two things at once. So if I just repeat this a bunch of times, and then I go back, add in a whole bunch of CRUD stuff here. So very nice. Cool. So it's got SQL embedded. That's really cool. It runs Northwind Traders, of course. This is the very classic database benchmark application. Carson says, is the HTTP API interface the same as Cloudflare Worker stuff? So no. Okay. Get a button to start SQLite. Databases. Don't care. I mean, it is really cool that it includes a database, but it makes it a bit harder to host because then you need attached storage, which not everyone has. But you can have transactions. Oh my god, this looks cool. Oh, I could build some stuff on this. All right. Statements. This is just like just teaching you how to use SQLite. Foreign function interfaces. And when do I need this? If I want to run Zig, fantastic. Don't care. Strings. Don't care. Why is this teaching me? What? Okay, so it's got a transpiler that exports, and it gives me exports and imports. That lets you scan imports. Can I modify them? How do I walk the tree and transform and write a plugin? How do I walk the tree? Tell me how to walk the tree. No, it doesn't tell me how to. It just tells me transpiling. So it's just for reflection, I guess. Yeah, it doesn't tell me how to walk the tree. Okay. So it has scan, imports. That's it. Environment variables. It's using Go Max procs. Disable Bun analytics. Oh, it's telling us analytics stuff. There's a temp directory. Okay. So I feel like we've explored quite a bit of it. I want to explore some of the examples, but let's see if what else. On Next.js, it's got package manager. I feel like we skipped some of this stuff. Yep. So it's got argv from here as well. server-side render React. Oh, look at that. I think this is deprecated, by the way. So I'm not sure if this is useful. Types for Bun.ts. Install the Bun types package. Okay. So maybe that would have worked. Bun add. Oh, bun add is the thing that's supposed to run. Not bun install. Okay. And then. Oh, I think. All right, I'm in the wrong folder, but okay. So what if I install? What if I add bun types? tsconfig.json. Whatever. Bun.file, bun.write. Okay. So does that mean, okay, wait. So if I have bun types now, does that mean that I get, ooh. Yeah. So remember how earlier we had to add the types, but now we get all this stuff. Really sweet. Okay. Right. So now we have proper typing just from adding bun types. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Okay. Fast path for web APIs. This will stream the response to this, but today it buffers. Using Bun as a package manager, using Bun install. I have a feeling this is a complete replacement for Node now. I haven't seen anything blocking yet. Using Bun as a task runner, Bun clean, so it uses scripts. Instead of waiting 170 milliseconds for your npm client to start for each task, you wait 6 milliseconds for Bun. Okay, so what if I had, I mean, it looks like it's a drop-in replacement. So what if I had a Node.js project that did that? So it really wants me to write a Discord bot. I might run it. I have a Discord. I could do that. But let's see what else we got. Not implemented yet. Here's the roadmap. Source maps, web streams, WebSocket servers, CSS minifier, CSS parser. Okay. Yeah, where's the bundler? Okay. Where's the bundler? That's a loader. Where's the bundler? What platform is on? CSS and JS. What is it doing? No minifying, no bundled. Okay, CSS runtime. That supports frameworks. Frameworks are configured this way. I don't see any of this in the current setup, so fine, I just skip that. Bun install. Yeah, okay. Why is it fast? It uses linear raiseful data packages refer to auto-incrementing integer ID, strings longer than 8 characters. Delete the cache, run. Okay, all right. Well, I think that's all the features. I think I might be able to blog about this, but I mean, it's okay. One thing I wanted to do is write my own server-side renderer or static site generator. I wonder if we can do that. Okay. I think I have enough here. But I mean, this SQLite thing is really cool. That's a really interesting decision. Be interested to do that. Okay, all right. So, what are we gonna do here? We're gonna try to put this up onto install SQLite with Homebrew. What do I need to install SQLite Homebrew? We're gonna try to put this up on a server somewhere. I'm thinking Fly because like probably should work, but I don't have any experience with Fly, so this will be a nice way to try it. So here's our remaining to-dos. Okay, so you're gonna put this server up on Flight.io. I wonder if we can just do it up on Netlify. I have to install Bun as a binary, but that's it. Where do I host it? Where do I deploy? Come on. Show me examples. Where do I deploy? Deploy. Doesn't deploy anywhere. All right. I'm not sure if it's worth doing a deploy. Let's see. You want to get the code. Where's the code? Bun files are marked as executable. To print out the code, run node modules bun on your terminal. Here's a copy pastable example. What the fuck is that? Yeah, that did not work. What am I supposed to see? Okay. So let's see that. Node modules JS. And this is the bundle. Okay, that's Next.js. Cool. All right. Bun. What the hell is that? Man, the surface area is huge. I mean, it makes sense. He's been working on it for a year. Deploy to production with Bun. You want to get the code from the Bun file and stick it somewhere your web server can find it. So, all right, let's see what he means. I don't know what that means. Okay, anyway. Okay, so it starts with the code. I don't know what this is called. This is like a permission string, user string, something like that. Wait, then the JS runs here. So, okay, if I run code modules.js, fucking hell, node. Code. Give me a second. I feel like I have a call. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so it'll be interesting to run remix with Bun and it just worked, but like I'm interested in the deploy phase. So wait, node ESM unflagged. Node ESM flag. What version of that is? What version of Node is that? So node 13. I think. So node 16 should have it unflagged, no? What is this unexpected token? No longer record. Okay. What is this? How am I supposed to run it? Anyone know how to run ESM? Oh, I just set type module. Oh, okay. So even though it's unflagged, it's being annoying. Let's do this. That work? Still nothing, but it didn't give me the error this time. So what does that mean though? Does that mean I have to like fold? The top level exports. Is it exporting everything? Window and global.this. Run runtime, inject fast refresh. Okay. React. So this is the client side thing. I need the server side thing. Do I need to compile it with a flag? Yeah. Okay. All right. So does that mean I have to do this? Bills.server. .that? Server. Okay. All right. So I assume this is a server. And then if I do node modules.server.js, nothing happens. Then pulling it. Immediately obvious. It's just a bunch of modules. But it doesn't have that window thing anymore. That's good. Nope. All right. Out of ideas. Okay. That means that I should try to deploy it. It means I don't have confidence deploying it to Vercel. I mean, how do you deploy it to Vercel? At you, it's in the issues. Here. Deploy? No one's asked about how to deploy. Say Vercel. Ooh, why? So no one's deployed this ever? How do you deploy Bun? Okay, let's see. Let's make sure I didn't like miss something. Because how do you deploy? How do you deploy Bun? Java awesome project. I'm a bit confused about the deployments. Your docs. I'm confident that Vercel can run something like this. because I tried it. I guess okay. It's bundling the JavaScript folder. It's bundling the JavaScript to build my Next.js project with and in Node and in so let's say usage is purely for client-side bundles to run full stack projects to deploy. See if that works for him. But I mean, we're still not stuck. I have done funky things like on Netlify. Where you can install the binary as part of your build process. I'm not exactly sure if that's the best way to do it. I need to so installing Bun requires you to run a script. It has a Docker container. Maybe let's just do that. So this is probably how we'll do it for Fly. Yeah, that's a big container. Okay, so it doesn't build for. Damn it. It needs an ARM64 build. ARM64. Hey, it has a build for that. Oh. Okay, so you'd have to build it yourself, which is another bit of a jeez. It's gonna download WebKit. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. All right, well, okay, I give up. We tried. We tried building Bun. We tried deploying Bun. Maybe I can just deploy Bun without me running it locally. So what does that look like? Okay. Pretty sure I've signed up once before, but I'm not actively using it. That's annoying. Okay. I cannot stream while doing this. Hang on. I know what to do. Problem solving all the way. I have an iPad. Display iPad. So I need to move it off the screen while I still stream. That rhymes. Okay, now I can sign up for it and you can see my number. So that would be it's the wrong card. Okay. Here's my. Oh. Okay. All right, we're in Fly. Sweet. That wasn't too bad. Okay. So let's see what this is. We're going to deploy Bun by hook or by crook. Okay. We need to log in. So we logged in. Oh, we've logged in. Okay, awesome. How do I make Go applications fly? FP dude, that's warp. Yeah, that is warp. You guys can see warp. Honestly, I'm just trying it out. I'm not a huge believer or anything like that. They have some commands which I can never remember. So they have command history, they have search for. So it's Control Shift R, right? Control Shift R. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I never use this shit. Use it if you like. I'm just trying it out because it's new and fancy. Okay, if I know we're on Docker, it's a speed run. Let's go to speed run. Okay, flyctl launch. What the hell is that? Build pack. It's detecting a Node.js app. It is not a Node.js app, dude. What if it's... my account has been high risk. Why am I high risk? Dude. Fine. Jeez. Okay. That's it? Okay. So we're speed run. Okay, flight cuddle launch. Right. So did not create a thing? Okay. Speed run, deploy to fly. Okay, flight cuddle launch. Right again. Try Bun. No. Works out of the box, I'll be extremely impressed. There's no reason for it to work in the box. Okay. Launch also works with a Docker file. If you're running something else, just run a functional Docker file and you're good to go. Why doesn't it know about Next.js? The hell? Okay, that was not useful. Remote builder. What are you talking about? I'm paying. Why am I waiting for a remote builder? Are you up yet? Okay. Free builder. Fine. Is this running? Waiting for logs. Okay. I assume it's not supposed to run anything. What is this thing doing then? Whoop, look at that. That was probably a while ago. Nope, still going. I cannot tell. I might be tapping out with my. What is? How the fuck do you run this thing? I need to. How am I supposed to deploy this? What? Waiting for remote builder. What? Alright, waiting for remote builder. Okay, it looks like they had a bug. Dude. Uh-huh. Yeah, no kidding. Didn't work. Yeah, that's what I saw. Yes, Warp is a terminal of telemetry and required login. Agreed. Railway might be a lot simpler to deploy. All right, Maple Leaf, we are going for Railway. first. Bye fly, you died, you suck. I need a GitHub repo. Tui says Bun is a position independent code, can be deployed anywhere. I know, but why is it so hard to deploy then? What do I need to have a empty project? Creating project is good. Service, that's fine. Need a repo? Chris? How am I supposed to? There's got to be some docs here. All right, come on, Railway. Yeah. New project, business starter. Maybe if I just need a new project, I can do it. Okay, so if I kill this thing. This starter looks like it's what? Not work. Where would I start? I need a Railway CLI. All right. Login. Okay, that was delightfully fast. That was amazing. Holy crap. Okay, then I need to Railway init. The project, I guess. And starter template. Wait, I can't go up or down. Warp, you suck. Oh, warp. You're getting in my way, warp. Bye bye. Fast. Okay. So then we need Railway.app. Okay. So what do I like? Can I throw a Docker file in there? Docker pull, Docker run. No, this is okay. Let's look for the docs here. There we go. Nice. Doesn't support Docker Compose. That's okay. What's a very basic Docker file? I've created this before, but I always needed a lot of help. Okay, there we go. Something like that, yeah. I need a command too. Why does it let me copy? Wow, new stack. You don't let me copy? Jesus. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that if I do this, so what I need to, okay, then where's the Docker doc? Okay, so I have to do a from. Alright, this is how newbie I am, but I've done this exactly once before. Okay. And do I CMD? me a sample, dude. Docker file, cmd command. Oh, I might have entry point too. Running, but I don't need the curl script if I have the Docker image, no? Maple leaf? I don't need the curl script if I have the Docker image. Right here. So where's the CMD? Build, build, run echo, run image name, okay. Where's the CMD? There we go. I'm gonna assume everything else is really I need to do works. This work will celebrate and then call it a day because I will have exhausted my luck for the day. What is that? What does it do? Run HTTP.js? Okay, fine. Run HTTP.js. Railway up. And Railway is impressive. Good job, Jake. I am an investor in Railway, and I've obviously messed around, but never with like this Docker stuff. So it looks like it's working. It's doing the from thing correctly. And it's running. It's waiting for the boot plan to finish. Okay, deployment is live, but where's my URL, dude? Railway. Dude, is this it? Can I refresh? Okay. Yeah, but okay, the service is up, but how to make it public facing? Generate domain, sure. Dude, please work. Your deployment should be live soon. Okay. Please work. No, it's blue. It's blue. Application error. Is your app directly listening on port? What the hell port is it myself? Oh man, this is what you get for not reading docs. Okay, fine. Okay, so now what? Redeploy? Yeah, how do you let me redeploy? Redeploy? How do you let me redeploy? What, I have to do this again? That's lame. Put it in the UI. Everyone wants to redeploy. Okay, alright. Deployment live. Please work with no. It's blue. Okay. Is your app correctly listening on port? Okay, let's view the logs. Oh no! Oh. Okay. What is this? Oh man, what the hell is that? Failed to initialize. Okay, well, all right. This is like a showstopper. What? Failed to initialize this. Okay, it looks like it's showstopper. I don't think I can fix this. All right, so, but how do I run strace? Does it let me SSH into the thing? Start command. Local build paths, mix packs. No. Health. Check path. Okay. The features are there, but it doesn't let me SSH into stuff. Alright, so let's see if I can report this. ulimit HL. Okay. It needs to do some ulimit thing. Yeah, we saw that. We saw this ulimit in the setup instructions, right? So if you remember here, here, see? Question is, how the hell do I get this into the Docker file? Docker file set ulimit. That is not helpful. Okay. Can I do that inside of a Docker file? I have to set it on Docker run. I mean, I guess that makes sense, but okay. App limit. Starter plan. Oh, okay. What is this ulimit though? What am I setting? I don't actually know. All right. I think I am stuck unless someone watching has some magic clue about. Here, let me try to think. Hey Jake, any chance you're on Twitter? I'm trying to deploy. Fuck. I'm trying to deploy Bun on Railway. Jesus. Is it auto increase the limit? Memory? I don't even know how much I need. Okay, all right. Let's upgrade the plan. Did I put in my? I don't think I put in my card. All right. Let's not be cheap. All right, I'm going off screen to enter in this password or whatever. I need to disconnect because the iPad goes to sleep, and then I need to reconnect the iPad. For hype. Yeah, Bun. Exactly. Welcome, Brooke. We are trying to deploy Bun because it seems that nobody's ever deployed Bun ever. Putting in my credit card. And the whole okay. I am upgrading. Streaming. Alright. How do I? Okay, I'm on the developer plan. Nice. Okay, I'm on. Nice. I'm on developer now. UI needs a read. Way up. Please work. Build logs. That was quick. All right. Docker caching for the win. Let's see logs. this. Success. Logs. Do I need to? Maybe if I tear this down and bring it back up, because I'm not confident that it resets stuff. This project was kind of provisioned there. All right, so let me just tear this down, bring it back up again. There's the danger. Right. Let's make a new project again. Let's go for the CLI. All right, come on, we can do this. Railway init, maybe. It project 512. It okay. Then set the environment variables. No, what's the environment variable? This one's the environment variable. Thank you. Run it without the watcher if I care about it. All right, where's the watcher? Troubleshooting. Remove any limit, any scripts that call you limit n, and restart your shell. I don't know what this is. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm not setting it anywhere. You limit n. So yeah, I don't think I have this. What are the ways in which I can verify? So, all right, let's try this. Don't expect it to work at all. Waiting for deploy to finish. I assume that it's going to detect my Docker build. Ooh. It hasn't died yet. Oh, it's died. I have to install it first. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try and see if we can run that trace. Docker app install. And I don't know if this works, but let's just try it anyway. Run this trace. Big one. So new Linux process. This one is the one I want. Instruction pointers. System calls. I'm gonna trace up to file. Nice to see if I can run a trace like that. the way up. Whoop. Yep, something's different. Looks like the S3 thing is going. And then we have build logs here. And I assume that it's just gonna die. Is that the S-trace? I'm not confident in that. Yep, okay, all right. That is where it quits. We have tried to deploy Bun onto Bun. I have tried to deploy. We come across this. Putting back progress. Away. Probably a better way to do this. PB copy, maybe? Yeah. Cat, Docker file. Yeah, boy. And then ran. Railway init and railway up. It. The deploy build work, not to run. I tried to run S-trace. Railway doesn't offer a I suspect. Right. So this little issue for other people to find. But otherwise, I think I'm done trying to deploy Bun, unless I straight up like get into a DigitalOcean template or something, which I could do, but it's just less fun. So someone else can try to figure it out for me. Yeah. All right. Well, that was an interesting way to waste an hour trying to figure out how to deploy. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. So the last thing I wanted to do, assuming I gave up on deploying Bun itself, was trying to build a server-side renderer. Server-side render. Alright, so the last thing we're going to do for ourselves to test out Bun is to server-side render React. And to make a static site generator. Consider this a bunch of things. I'm in the wrong folder. All right, so let's see how we can server-side render some stuff. So let's do React DOM. So with our increased knowledge of Bun now, we can do Bun, React, at latest, and add React DOM. Bun types in there, it's great. I think that's all. And then to respond, we need to do, oh my god, really cool if we can do it. To turn this fetch async, and we need to render to a readable stream. This. Let's just check that this works. Run HTTP.js. Hi. 60,000. Variable DT makes sense. Well, why did you tell me to do DT? Here. Check a file watcher because it's super annoying. There is a command, Unix command to rerun and file changes. Oh, I put this in my bash command. Oh, enter. Enter is a command line tool. Okay, what the hell is enter? Right. How do I install enter? I assume I bash it, download it, brew install enter. I already installed it. Yeah, I came across this before. So what that means? That means I do enter on http.js. Enter this. That did not work. Oh, I have to pipe it. Okay. Save. Reload. Wait, it didn't reload, dude. Enter. Rebuild project if sources change. Literally changed it. What the hell are you on about? Restarting services. What is S? Okay. All right. Reload. I don't understand. How do I use this? Watching for new files, okay. Okay, Julia. Tell me how to use enter. All right, okay. Find dot name star.js, enter, run http.js. That did not work. Restarted server, enter R. Okay. I do this. Good work. It didn't even run, dude. Okay. All right. Get init. Npx git ignore. Nope. Code. Okay. And then let's remove rf compare. rf app. We have a pretty clean thing. Where's my git ignore? Oh, no modules. Okay. All right, everything's in Git now. So if I do git ls files, these work. Git ls files. Yeah. What? Cannot open my db.SQLite journal. Delete it. What did I do to it? Delete this. Definitely wasn't there. What did I do to it? I didn't do anything. It was right there. What did I do? Does anyone know what happened to the SQLite journal file? Or did I do some kind of automation? Hey Jace, welcome back. I'm trying to write a standard static site generator in Bun because I gave up on deploying. I went as far as I could. That's on status right now. We are trying to what cool things did I find in Bun? We found SQLite. That's always cool. We're trying to test out the server-side rendering thing now, and then build a static site generator, and then I think we'll be done. The thing I got distracted, tried to run enter. Enter is supposed to be like a hot reload thing that's supposed to work, but I can't get it to work. Okay, so git ls files is weird. So I'm gonna rmrf.git, and I'm gonna git init. And then I'm gonna run files. These work. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Come on. This is not working. Okay, all right. We wasted enough time. I know. All right. Okay. All right. So we're trying to write a static site generator or some kind of server-side rendering thing, but we do also have SQLite in Bun. Seems interesting. Maybe we can write like our own Next.js. That'd be cool, right? So let's see if I do like a so this is my entire single file single file server that server-side renders Next.js. Server-side renders React. Okay, this all makes sense. A bit too much. I may need to clear the SQLite database. But otherwise, okay, so what am I going to do here? I'm going to create a static site generator. So we're going to get rid of file and all this. We don't really need SQLite. We'll just keep it running there. Yeah, it's reading it here in process, and then it's writing in process and then reading it out. So every time I hit reload, it just adds random shit. So that's fine. What I really want to do is demonstrate that Bun can serve a React static site generator with the front end in React. So we need to figure out hydration, I guess. All right, so there's usually like a content folder, and then we'll usually have like markdown. So all this is very standardized. I've actually done this before as an interview project. We have the content markdown folder, and then we have let's say with components source, and then we'll have like a page or whatever. Let's just make Next.js. Unadd types. Look at how fast it is. Holy crap. So let's use Tailwind UI. Oh my god, then I have to install Tailwind. Just to create next template. Come on. What can I steal? That's it? That's so lame. Jesus. How is it so fast for the build and downloading? Maybe it's caching? Because yeah, it's pretty fast. Maybe it's downloading from a different you know what? Package. It's so fast. Uninstall tends to install packages 20 times to 100 times faster than npm install. So why is it faster? Doesn't say. Doesn't say. Okay, so bundles. It doesn't say why though. You never said why it's faster. I mean, I bet it's just like downloading like the ES module thing from the cache locally instead of going up to npm. So these are his benchmarks. So installing took whatever 2.76 seconds in npm and then 87 milliseconds in Bun. That's right. How do I search this guy? Searched. All fast. Okay, then install. Install fast npm. I want bun. Install. It's bun server. Tui says it's better data structure and algorithms ending. That's not installing though, is it? That would be very surprising if that was the install issue. Usually it's like a network thing. Okay, all right. Well, let's not bother with it. We can investigate that all day. This is not. Oh, it's TSX. So this is the home page. I use JSX until the JSX flag is provided. Oh, where the hell is my JSX flag provided? Let's just not worry about it. Let's see if we can import this then. It is messing up. What is this going on? Is this a module resolution thing? All right. Let's see. The best way I can solve this is to go to examples folder and go into Next.js and steal their package JSON. I don't think I'm doing like anything fundamentally different. Maybe you have to install TypeScript. I need to configure Bun, don't I? That might be interesting. Maybe I need to copy from the other folder, this one. Yeah. Web vitals. Okay, I don't need Bun framework next. I do need this Bun create BS. This source. Don't think that solves anything. Do I have a TS configure? No, but this is OTS. This is LJSX. Okay, we have no examples of how to work with TSX, so I'm just gonna have to drop it down to JSX. All right. Got it. Right. That worked. So now I have to mechanically generate. I need to read files. Right. Get rid of all this noise. All noise right now. I have to figure out the FS API. Can you read files? Oh, that's weird. Okay, where's the file system API? File system, file system, file system. Bun run, bun create, bun APIs, bun write. Bun write, I guess is what I want. This is just writing. I don't actually need writing ever because I'm writing a static site. We are making a static site generator, which means I only need some of the FS stuff. Right. I just assume that everything in Node exists. So that means is okay. All right. The other thing I want to use for this demo is the Stripe docs. I think it's called Mark docs. Stripe Mark doc. Doc.io. Run add Mark doc. All the parse. Duplicate dependency. No, I probably do. All right, so do this. Here. I'll sync from actually give me console.log HTML. Fine. Still bun on. I not add this already. Oh, unadd markup. Go. Oh boy. So it's not compatible? Is it what you're saying? Oh, I think I may have screwed up there. I think this is futzing is a callback API. Read files. Is that an API reference? Is anyone familiar with know if there's an API reference? Where's the API reference? Let's see. Do you have an API reference? Like, how do I know what you have and what you don't? I know you have fetch. I know you have fetch. Okay. What is this? What I'm looking for is the promise-ified version of it. Do they have promises? They have FS promises. Okay. All right. This node : FS promises. That's so weird. Okay. Let's go FS promises. FS promises.read file. Okay, all right. So they have this. Oh man, it's so hard. Please work. What is this? What is this number? What is this number? I don't get it. Asked you to read file. Oh, I have to code it to UTF-8. That is fucking annoying. Not what it was. It looks like you want me. Well, there's 2 overloads. Give me the overloads. What are the overloads? Yep. Yeah. Those are the key codes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe some return. Yeah. I do have a return character. So why is it so hard? Read file promise encoding. What the hell? Is this a bug? All right. It looks like it might be a bug. Goddamn annoying. It's so immature. All right. Read file sync probably won't be wrong. This bullshit. Sorry for wasting time. You figure all these things will be handled, but it's very, very. Wait. Where's the callback? Stream the file and encode it. No, he just had to refile it. Wait, it returns a promise? The hell? Oh. Read file. Yeah. So you have a callback. Okay. What the hell is this Node :fs bullshit? Okay. All right. This is what I know. Read file. UTF-8. Callback. Get this right. Why is it so hard? Not refile sync, is it? The doc is null now. Doc null. Yeah. What is the doc null? I have to do path join stuff. Oh, nope, it's error data. Hey. All right, we're getting a bit more confident. Okay, all right, good. And then we have all these guys. Nope. I assume if I do refile sync here, on stock equals I'm so rusty. Jeez. Yep, there you go. Okay. So now what we do is we return this. Your function, read render direct and then return. So now we export this to reader. Reader sync. There we go. Files equals to reader sync. Maybe if I'll let GitHub Copilot do this. Pilot, take the wheel. Read directory of markdown files. Copilot, come on, come on. Alive? I noticed Copilot wasn't doing anything recently. Copilot. I think it's given up on me. That's it, subscription required. But I thought I had the subscription. Yeah, I had subscription. But what do I do? Oh, this is screwy. Where's, how do I, okay, do I need to uninstall it? Yeah. Okay, so they changed the permission, so now I have to restart it. Restart your code editor later. All right. Pilot, come on, please work. This is me being extremely lazy. I mean, it's important that. Come on, Copilot. Hey, that was it. Read directory and filter. Out. Hey. Nice, nice. That was it, but it was fun. Okay. At least we made sure that Copilot was there. Okay, so I think with these two functions, we can probably do enough. So let's go with this, with that, this, that. What we're doing here is we're gonna get we need some metadata as well. That'd be interesting. Okay, so let's go here and we'll say feature content. Oh shit, nice. So then we'll say if first putting it for me. Shit, no, why not? I mean, it's almost right. Like, it's not exactly right, but it's like it's pretty good. Oh my god. Okay. So let's make the headers. For body not. Guess we could do that. Not found. And then 4. Okay. So then we need to get the path. The source, the readable stream. So we need to don't need to import it. Copilot was wrong on that. Render it, and we need to render to readable stream. And this needs to be thank you, Copilot. That was way too easy. Okay. Tell me this works. Shit. This is a better Copilot demo than anything else. Hosts should be not found. And then if I do bar.md, oh, it's gonna. I need some logging. Svelte the React Killer, maybe. Okay, so I need some logging because I don't know the incoming sources. It needs a slice. So that and log. Start. Dude. Move.md. Wait, move works? So what does the MD work? Because I didn't put in an MD here. So is that weird? It's not appending MD for me. Why does that work? Huh. Oh, source.includes? Yeah, that includes is a problem. happy with that. Now, I wanted to see if we can do. So that was a very simple static side rendering process. I wanted to see if we can rehydrate a React component here. So let's see if we can do this. Bun.sh. Exports a simple React button component. Copilot, take the wheel. Nope. Copilot, take the wheel. You son of a bitch. Where React from? Come on. Oop. Okay. How do I? How do I pick the? Oh, there you go. Okay. I need you with state. I don't like any of these. Okay. With counter component state that increments by 2 every time, just for fun. That's great. Jesus. Come on. I mean, I'm not against it. Yeah, what the hell? Not bad. Hey. Good enough for me. Okay. So, yeah, I feel like Copilot was actually right. Render page is files if they match. Page is here. So if there's a page, oh shit. Copilot can only help. So then we need to do this again. Import. Like that. Next.js can import a button. Should work fine. Right. Booth. This should render what? What? And this should not work because there's no JavaScript on the client side. Where's the hello world coming from? I already returned. the hell? Oh, so I need to get rid of home. I'll just call it layout. This is a blog post. Okay. Why is it still there? Why is the button still there? You should be rendering layout. This is a layout. Okay. And then I'm rendering layout. Oh, this goes okay. Wait a minute. What's that? Oh. Reloading, so I kill it and rerun the server every time. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, so if I do this, it's fetching index, and it's doing source pages index. It's not finding pages. No pages. Why is it not finding pages? This is always one of these annoying pieces. Works. What are you doing? The deer is wrong? Can't be. Why is... I'm a really bad programmer. Does anyone... Jose says, you read the title of the stream and went straight to try random project Vercel the block. Wow. Really? That's fascinating. Makes sense. Because it has compatibility. But try to deploy it. Tell me how that goes. Okay. Why is this page is not working? It's not working. It's not reading any pages, even though when I run it manually it does. Oh, it filters stuff with MD. Yeah, it's doing too much here. Cannot import source pages. Oh, segfault. What is the segfault? Should be a busy day. Outward segfault. Putting it here because it's. What am I supposed to do with this segfault? Use it. This would be a very good repro, people. Yeah, it's like. SH segfault. So here I was missing. Ran into this. It's so you can repro. And issue repro. Arguably have created the license. Oh, no. Fine. The CLI doesn't work very well. Whether I can repo another pieces as well. Probably can. It does not segfault when you go to the other routes. So okay, well, it looks like we have juice, but we're not going to be able to solve it today. We're not, and I think I've kind of run out of juice. I've been going for a little while. Segmentation fault, that's right. Issue when making a simple React SSR server. Full repo instructions. Here. For your case. Yeah, it's kind of how I have a lot of issues like this. A lot of repros takes a lot of effort. It's it's not the best outcome. I wish I had more successful stuff to report, but I still think it's really fun to. I think so. Essentially, I'm going to try to make a talk about Bun, and I can at least get as far as rendering content on screen. So we did get as far as the localhost main thing. So I can at least show off it's pretty fast. Like the reload's fast. So I probably need to work out like a demo path for my talk, but at least I have played around with Bun enough that I know the main features. I haven't maybe done enough on the configuration. So I need to really understand this and the loaders, but maybe I don't have to really care. So yeah, I mean, there's some interesting stuff, but nothing super important here. Yeah, I mean, it looks very full featured. It's very considerate of even stuff like this, where you're importing packages that you might be importing separately. So it even has a code editor integration thing. So very full featured. There's a lot of surface area to learn, but I think it's generally very thoughtful. I would say it's not a complete deno comparison, because look at the feature set of deno. Well, first of all, they don't have SQLite, but also where is it? So they have the same file system. Well, they don't have the same file system stuff. You guys deno.reader. What was I thinking? Oh, where is the linting? I think it's organized in CLI. Yeah. Where's the linting? Where's the linting? No, Deno has standard library. Oh, look at that. So Deno has a different standard library. You might need to try to figure out what the mapping is. Philosophically different. Deno format. And Deno lint. So it doesn't have a linter, it doesn't have a formatter. Cool. Yeah, so different feature sets. I don't think any of these are material. Really what's going to come down to is what is your philosophy on APIs that you want to cover, right? So here we have sockets. Everything is kind of proprietary to this Deno thing, whereas he's clearly matching WebSocket, fetch, other web APIs. What's the full list? The full list of APIs are web, fetch, WebSocket, Node API, Bun write, bun transpiler. I wish there was a way to plug into this to make transforms and macros, but it's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm not sure what else I would like to compare things on. I guess, the deploy model, there is none for Bun, whereas Deno, you have Deno deploy. Yeah. Jose says, I couldn't reproduce the error. Keep said deploy without giving me a segfault. Let's see if there's anything. So Jared had seen my message, but he hasn't found anything yet. So we'll see. I mean, I have the repo here. If you want to repro it, be my guest. It's in a public repo, but otherwise, I'm not going to bother. I know I can get it done. We're not really proving anything here. Yeah, I think we really have to think about it. Like, what are, like, now that there's Bun and now that there's Deno, I honestly don't think like performance is like a huge issue. Like, so what if you can do 4 times what Deno does or whatever? What is the thing that's really going to matter in terms of like what runtime you choose? There is definitely more choice, so we're embarrassed. We're spoiled for choice. But what are you going to choose on? Developer experience in terms of installing things. This seems like it's betting more on the npm ecosystem. It's explicitly npm compatible, whereas Deno is explicitly not. So probably more packages will run out of the box with Bun, and that seems like a really easy bet to bet on. I think they just need to improve their deployment story, because right now, just how hard it is to deploy Bun, I can't really recommend it. Whereas Deno, like, you actually can deploy this with Netlify and Superbase, which is really cool. And they've worked out, playgrounds, for example. So, yeah, that's all I got for now. I think it's really interesting. Deep dive. It's not a deep dive. It's a shallow dive. It's just shallow paddle through the experience of Bun and everything we should know. All right, any parting words? I will check the chat. But whoever stuck through this entire thing, you're heroes, because I didn't even tweet this out. Which means you must have been subscribed. So thanks a lot for following along. I'm not a regular streamer, but let me know if I should stream more stuff. Cheers. Bye.